Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview the SeaKlear SKZ-U-G commercial pool phosphate remover. This phosphate remover is an easy-to-use treatment for effective and efficient phosphate removal, generally used in areas like pool and spa chemicals. One quart removes at least 9,000 ppb of orthophosphates per 10,000 gallons of water, proven to eliminate phosphates from fertilizers, rainwater, soaps, decaying vegetation, and other pollutants. Alum-free, non-toxic formula, 100% safe for your family and the environment. Maintenance dosage are weekly. Use 1 ounce of phosphate remover per 5,000 gallons of pool water to maintain phosphate levels below 125 ppb. Product benefits. This phosphate remover is an easy-to-use treatment for effective and efficient phosphate removal. Alum-free, non-toxic formula, 100% safe for your family and the environment. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.